Okay, welcome back to another video. This again is connections between algebraic and graphical representations of functions, and I have medium level questions in front of me. The first thing that this is asking is for the slope. So this is the slope, y equals to mx plus c. Then says the graph of the function y equals to minus 2x plus 5 is a straight line, it's a line in the xy plane. Which of the following is true about the slope of the line? The slope is minus 2, so the slope is negative. Okay, a parabola. Identify the vertex. The vertex is the turning point. Again, my calculator can do this for me, so I'm going to use my calculator to do this. So 1 minus 4 and 3. Okay, where's the vertex? It's at 2 comma minus 1. Do I have that as an answer option? Yes. So that is the correct answer. Again, this is also about a vertex. One comma minus 4. Okay, the y-intercept is C basically, so that's 4. I'm going to write down 4 here. I think there will be more medium level questions. Let's see those. Find the equation of the line which has a slope of 2. So it could either be A, that's it. It could only be A. I don't even need to calculate C, although it's calculated in the answer options. Okay, functions are simple. If I have to calculate 2, 1.5 square plus 5 times 1.5 minus 3. Okay, 9. Let's see if that is the correct answer. Yes, that is correct. Slope of the line, that's simple. That's 3 of the line that is parallel. So parallel lines have the same slope as well. Then the equation of the parabola is this, x squared minus 4x plus 3, which of the following is an equivalent form. Now I could do two things. I could either complete the square on this one and then try to figure out what the um, equivalent equation is, or I could expand each of these individually. I could expand answer option A and see if it matches x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 2. Now that becomes x squared plus 4x plus 6. That's not what I'm looking for. It should be x squared minus 4x something. That's another way of doing it. Or I could do this. I can see the turning points visible to me. Why don't I put my equation into the calculator and see what my turning point has to be? Okay. So 1 minus 4 and 3. So I get 2 comma minus 1. So I should have minus 2 inside the bracket and minus 1 outside. That is the correct turning point. M in this equation. Okay. So I just need to find the slope. So 8 minus 4 over 5 minus 3. That's 2. That is the end of this level. Make sure to continue watching. I'll be back with another video on hard questions.